If you're having this issue, then to solve it, this video is for you. For that, first of all, you have to simply launch your settings on your device. Once you are on your settings, on the top you will see this notification that says iPhone not backed up. Simply go through it. Then there you will see backup settings. Tap on that. From here you will see backup this iPhone is toggled on. If it is toggled off in your case, then make sure to toggle it on. But if you want to remove that notification, then if you toggle it back off, then see it, then that notification will be gone. In this way, you can fix iPhone not backed up to cloud error on iPhone. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.